So the Vasaloppet, it's kind of like the cliche of cross-country skiing. So we had a king, Gustav Vasa, so he did this track from Sälen to Mora, just to gather the strong Dala men to fight for the Danes. And that's how the whole race was invented. I landed, like this, with both skis like this. There are a few different versions of it. It's actually a whole week. You can do it in the night, you can do it in relay, you can do it by yourself, you can do it cross-country, classic. Thousands. I think like the traditional one, thousands are starting. It's a big attraction here this week. Okay, so I'm Karin, born and raised in Sweden. Jag heter Karin Renberg, eller man kan också säga att mitt namn på australiensiska är Kaza. So, the relay is actually taking the Vasaloppet and split it into 5 parts. So you have one person doing the first leg, a second person doing the second leg, and then you split it up like that.
The 3-4 changeover first to drop her car.
So it's a perfect way to do the Vasaloppet with us.
Perfect.
Ett glas vatten någon gång.
Ja, men precis.
Oh yes, that's done stains.
Now I know. I feel confident.
That's it.
Yeah.
Now you're on house arrest.
Now I know we use them both.
How do I prepare my skis?
I've had so much stuff. Saga! What the heck now?
High mountain hotel.
Yeah.
You do get a little bit nervous when you come there and you see all these committed men getting their perfect skis on. And even if it's very basic, the only thing you need to do is make sure you have your skis on in the right moment. There are a lot of things you need to put in your bag. There was some like nervosity in it.
Det finns några saker att tänka på. Här är det armbågsvinkeln.
Styles, poling with a push and diagonaling. So shifting between those ones. That's good.
think you'll take away from this experience?
That you can really learn a new sport as an adult is really something I will take with me, like in terms of doing sports further on. Like you can really learn everything as a grown-up.
Yeah, never too late.
Never too late.
Yeah.
Become really good at it as well.